This conference will now be recorded.
Done na? I don't think we have finished loggers. Like types you said, okay. How many examples I have did ma with respect to loggers? How many examples ma? 2. Okay. So we didn't do it completely. Let me show you. Is this done ma? Check it out. Yes. So this one is done. We'll go for next one. Say this. This one. No. Okay. Now, see here. Same. Yesterday I said no more different types of loggers will be available. Here we have got a debug, info, warning, error, fatal, everything are there. Where in the basic config, I'm using file name as kkar_logs.log. Okay, na? I'm pointing to that particular file. I'm opening this file in write mode. Is that clear? I'm opening the file in write mode. Next, in that file, I'm sending the level name. You can see level name I'm sending as a string equal to, next I'm sending the time, I'm sending the message. Totally for that particular file, I'm sending to that particular file, I'm sending totally 3 things: level name, time, and message. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, how this will be generating, let me show you now. So we'll go to kkr_logs.log. Where is this? kkar. Where is this? Where did this got generated, ma? Check it out. Level, the time, as well as message. Clear, Nama? Yes or no? Yeah, like this. Whenever if you want to display the time when it has been occurred, what kind of issue has been occurred, all those things, if you want to display, then you can take the help of this particular thing, where you can configure complete information about your logger. Clear, right? Yes or no?
So how to mention in the format those percentile level name as? What do you mean by
See,
as?
these are all predefined formats, ma. We have got certain predefined formats. where you have to provide that particular predefined formats. Say, if you mention this much, that is your level name. Whether you want equal to, comma, however you want, you can mention that later. Okay, now? Yes or no? Okay. Can you have the next one? Kathy. Yeah. Let me show you the next one. Where is this? So what are we doing over here, ma? Check it out. Wait. First check this. What we are doing over here?
You are writing a message.
Yeah, well, that's what. What are the things we are writing? Hello. Yeah. What are the things we are writing here? Sushma, Kathy.
Like previous example, but we are excluding the time.
Yes. See here. Same. kkr underscore logs. We are pointing to. We are opening the file in write mode. We are writing our level name colon. We are writing our message also. Okay, now? Yes or no? Okay. Now you can see. I run this. Control will go to kkr underscore logs. Where is this? Already it is there here only. Yeah. Message. I mean the level name we are displaying. Level name. Next we are displaying message. In this message, whatever the message is there, that we are displaying here. Is that clear? And that too, the level we are mentioning warning, logging level. So it will start tracking from warning only. Is that clear? Everyone. Ramesh. Okay, fine. Now we'll go for next one. See this. What are we doing over here? Hello. Are you guys with me? Yeah. Okay. Fine. Let me only tell you. See, here we are pointing to kkr underscore logs. We are opening the file in write mode. We are writing the level name. We an arrow mark. We are writing the time colon symbol. We are writing the message. and we are started tracking from debug onwards. Okay, is that clear so far? Okay, next. See, for this logger, what is my intention is I want to pass some data also as extra parameter. Got my point, right? I want to pass some data also as extra parameter. That is, I'm passing parameter that is name. Name means one dummy variable. I'm passing one dummy variable as parameter. For that dummy variable, here I am supplying a dictionary. You can see Shubham, name is Shubham, roll number is 1. That complete dictionary I am passing as parameter. So in this particular logger, level name, time, message will contain his details also. Check it out. It goes to kkr underscore logs. See, we are displaying his details also. Like this, if you want to track when the exception has been occurred, you can track it. What kind of exception has been occurred, because of whom the exception has been occurred, if you want to track it also, we can track it. Clear now? Yes or no? Okay. Kathy, Shushma, but warning critical is not displayed. I didn't give in the code, no ma. In the code, if you have a warning critical, it will display. See, here warning critical, nothing is there, right? Those functions are not there. Is there, that will display. Anybody has any doubts on this? This is what your loggers is all about. We have got file appender as well as console appender both. Okay now? Next, write down heading random. Random. Random is a module. Random is a module which is meant for returning random values within its range. Okay now? Yes or no? Okay. Now my question is, why we need this random values, ma? Why do we need? Random means the values which cannot be predictable. Correct now? Passwords. What kind of passwords? Could you please be a little bit more clear, ma? You're almost near to the answer. Like, yes, correct.
One-time
When,
password.
yes, ma. Whenever if you need to generate OTPs, otherwise if you need to generate captchas, these kind of things, right? We need some values to be generated randomly. Got my point, right? Yes or no? For those kind of random generations, sorry, what happened? Okay, that's what. For those kind of situations, how we can generate the values, all those things we are going to see right now. Next. First, see here, ma. Import random as rand. Instead of giving a big name like random, all those things, I'm giving a short name as rand. So whatever the functions and variables available in random module, I can call it with this reference rand. Is that clear? That is called as alias name, otherwise pet name also you can call it as. Okay. Now I'm printing rand dot random. Some random values it will print. Okay. Rand dot uniform algorithm is there, Gaussian algorithm is there, expovariate algorithm is there, where these three functions will perform the operation and return the value based on those algorithms. Is that clear? Internally, some mathematical algorithms will happen. We are supplying some values to that algorithms. It executes that particular algorithms internally and generates the output randomly. What values it returns, don't ask me. See? And there is a chance of returning repeated values also. No? Okay, no? See? Any doubts so far? Any one of you?
Like uniform means in between that range it will give the output 1 comma 50 you can give.
Yeah, between the range 1 comma 50 only it returns the values.
Okay.
That too based on the what is that uniform algorithm.
Uniform means?
Some mathematical algorithm, sir.
Okay.
Uniform distribution algorithm is there, right? Something.
Okay.
That if you sit and understand right now, you have to learn so much maths. No? Okay, fine. That is, this is one, what you say, way of generating your, what you say, random values. Now, if you are not happy with this particular, what you say, random values, I want some other way in the sense we have got another way also. Let me show you. See, we are importing random module as rand. I have provided lower limit 1 lakh, upper limit 10 lakh. Say rand dot random int a comma b. That means between 1 lakh to 10 lakh, some random values it generates. Is that clear? Say I'll be printing print numbers. This has one string. A value that is 1 lakh, comma b 10 lakhs. Again this one. So between this lower range to upper range, which value it returns, we cannot predict. Clear so far? Okay. Next, see here. This is one more rand range. This is starting point. This is stopping point. And incrementation. See, 1, incrementation 2. That is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Within this range, which value it returns, we cannot predict. Is that clear? So, and there is a chance of repeating also. Already I mentioned. See, able to see? Like this, you can provide some ranges and you can get the values within that particular ranges. Clear? Okay. Can I go for next one? Yes. Okay. Let me write down. Go for next one. See here. Import random. You can see here. Import random. We are importing random module. Random dot seed 10. That means we are setting the upper limit of my range is 10. Okay, na? Yes or no, ma? We have set upper limit value as 10. So this random function will return the value within that particular 10 only. Clear, right? Next. No, I don't want this. I want between 1 to 1000 in a sense. You can go in this way. Either you can go in this way, otherwise you can set one limit. Within that limit, it generates the values in this. Okay, na? Yes. Check it out. Clear? Okay. Can I go with next one, ma? Yes. What is this? What are we doing, ma? Okay. Let me tell you. See, we have got one string over here. We have got one list over here. Rand dot choice of string. That means within this string, one character randomly, which one it will pick, we cannot predict. That is one thing. When it comes to this one, it returns random value within this particular list. One value it returns at a time. Clear, right? Okay. No, I don't want one value. I want more than one in the sense you can go in this way. Rand dot sample string comma 4. Rand dot sample list comma 4. That means within this string, 4 values it returns. Within this list, 4 values it returns. What it returns, we cannot predict. This is one thing. Next, rand dot shuffle. This list, I'm shuffling it. This is one order. That order will get disturbed and it returns the values in some other order. Clear, right? Check it out. Yes. Any doubts so far, ma? Okay. Can I have the next one? Okay. Now, write down heading database. Heading database. What is meant by database, ma? What is meant by database? How many of you know about database over here? No. Kathy? Ramesh? What, you people are not responding only? No, okay. What about you, ma? Kathy? Okay, fine. She is not responding. Where we store the data. Do you know about database, ma? How many types of databases are there? The queries with respect to that. Okay, fine. Let me start it up. You are not responding on time. Fine, ma. Write down definition: database. Database is a memory which is meant for holding the data. Okay, na? Which is meant for holding the data. It is very similar, like your table, no? Oh, sorry, your folder. Got my point, right? It is very similar to your folder. Under your folder, how we will be having files. In that files, we will store the data. Similar way, here we will be having databases. Under that databases, we will be having tables. Under tables, we will start writing the content. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. Next. Write down heading types of databases. Types of databases. There are two types of databases available. Those are, first one, organized database. Organized database. Second one, unorganized database. Okay, na? Organized database. Second one is unorganized database. Clear, Nama? Yes. Try down about organized database. Organized database is also called as SQL database, which can be used for holding the data in a proper order. Okay, na? Next, see ma, basically organized otherwise SQL databases. SQL databases, these are basically meant for holding the data in the form of tables, and in proper order it will be holding the data. Is it clear? Could you please tell me the list of the databases comes under SQL? I mean, under SQL databases, which all the things comes under that? Any idea? No, ma, not EMP details. Which types of databases, ma? In market, we have got so many types, right? No idea. What about you, ma, Kathy? No. Ramesh? Fine. Let me tell you. Say. What to say? Yeah. In market, we have got so many organized databases. Example for those organized databases are first one SQL Server, second one MySQL, third one we have got DB2, Sybase. Next we have got what else? Oracle. These are all the databases available under our SQL database. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. If you want, you can make a note. Under SQL database, we have got SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. And etc. also you can write down. If anything else is there, that will come under etc. Clear, Nama? Okay. See, among all these databases, I will take an example of what you say. I will take an example of MySQL into consideration. Why I will take MySQL? Why I will show all your examples with MySQL in the sense. Write down why MySQL. Why I am preferring MySQL. MySQL is a open source product. MySQL is a open source product. Open source in the sense, ma. Hello? Yeah. It is free of cost. When it comes to SQL Server, Oracle, all those databases, now you have to pay license. That is first reason. Where MySQL can come under our budget. First thing. Second thing. MySQL is platform independent. Okay, na? MySQL is platform independent. In the sense, it can run on any kind of operating system. Clear? Next. MySQL can store the data of up to 12 GB. Can store the data of up to 12 GB. Clear? You might ask a question, what happens after 12 GB? In the sense, after that data leakage will happen. So only you need to be very careful whenever you are using MySQL. You have to create separate databases and store data of up to 12 GB only, each and every database, whatever you are creating. Clear, right? Okay. Next. Okay, next, what I was saying, data 12 GB. Okay. MySQL can store images also. Basically, under databases, you can store content only if you just check it out old databases, but latest databases is supporting images also in MySQL. Clear now? Okay. Next, MySQL has got medium level of security also. Clear, right? Okay. So by considering all these particular reasons, we will consider MySQL for our what you say explanation in our Python programming. Whereas if I go for other databases, so many advantages and drawbacks also there. So I cannot go with other databases. Clear, right? Fine. Now, if you want MySQL, okay, if you want MySQL, let me show you the location from where you can download MySQL. You can see MySQL installer MSI. You can download any one of this. See 18.6. Better I suggest you to go with this. Clear, right?
Which one?
Sorry,
Uh,
this one.
which one? Okay.
Otherwise, if you can download 5.5, that is very good. I'll tell you sure. MySQL 5.5 or 5.6 something. If you can find this and download this now, this is very good actually. Okay now?
Okay.
One sec. This one is very good. Okay now? Next. One important thing I have to mention with respect to MySQL is, see, MySQL is a database server. Okay now? Hello? I don't know from whose side some background noise is there. Okay. MySQL is a database server. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Next one. MySQL is a database server. See, why I am stressing that word database server in the sense, every server will be running on some or the other port addresses. Okay, now every server will be running on some or the other port addresses. Clear, right? With respect to our MySQL, this will be running on the port address 3306. Clear, right? While installation, it will ask for the port address 3306, where you can choose that particular port address only. Otherwise, while installation, you can change the port address to something else also if you don't want 3306. Clear, right? Okay. Next thing, MySQL, while installation, by default, it will take username as root. Root username cannot be changed, but while installation, it will ask for password. That password, it's your wish whether you want to go with a root, otherwise whether you want to go with something else, it's your wish. While installation, whatever the password you provide, it will take that one into consideration. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Now, so we got to know that it will be having port address, we got to know it will be having username, we got to know that it will be having some password. What you want to set, you can set it. Okay. Next, after installing MySQL, you just go to this start and look for MySQL command line client. I'm telling you, go with MySQL command line client. Some people will say, I will go with the MySQL workbench. See here, MySQL workbench option is there. Don't go with this. If you want to learn something like queries, all those things, if you want to become a developer, go with this. If you go with this one, here you will not be learning any queries. Directly right click table, right click database, right click insert. That is administration work. Administration people, they will use this one. Clear, right? That will give shortcuts. If you want to learn developer work, come to this. Clear? Okay. So once if you click on this, you will have this screen. It will ask for password. Please enter the password what you have provided when you are installing your MySQL. Once if you enter, it will open your screen like this. Is that clear? Kathy, Shushma, yeah. So we got to know about MySQL installation, password, etc., etc. Now we have to know about queries. Okay. First of all, what is meant by query, ma? Don't say that query is nothing but a question. Okay. Our English terminology is different. Here it is different, ma. Query is nothing but a simple statement which performs operations on databases. Okay, na? Query is nothing but a statement which performs operations on the databases. Clear? Now, MySQL is having certain queries. Not only MySQL, all SQL databases having certain queries where you have to learn all those queries if you want to turn as a developer. Is that clear? Okay. Now, which are the queries available? All those things, let me list it out. We have got create, we have got insert, next create, insert, alter, truncate, delete, update, Next, select rollback commit. Clear, right? These are the queries which are majorly used by our developers, and some other queries are there like grant or revoke permission, so many things where all those things are administration level queries. Clear, right? Okay. Now, among this, the queries, these all the queries are segregated into different types like DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. Okay. This DCL queries, that is administration, we will ignore. Now, say DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. Write down if you want. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. These are basically meant for performing. These are basically meant for performing operations on the structure of the table. Okay, na? Operations on the structure of the table. Clear, right? So the queries comes under DDL are create, alter, truncate. That's it. Create, alter, truncate. And one more is there, I forgot. Drop. Create, alter, truncate, drop. Is that clear? Okay. Next, DML queries. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. Data Manipulation Language. Basically, this works on the data of your table. Is that clear? This works on the data of your table, where your insert, delete, update, select comes under DML. Is that clear? Insert, update, delete, select comes under your DML. Next, transaction control language. TCL stands for transaction control language. That rollback and commit will come under TCL, just for saving your data, otherwise unsaving your data. For that sake, those things will help. Clear now? Yes or no? How these queries will be used and what are the operations we can perform, how to link up Python with these queries to interact with the databases. From Monday's session, we are going to start it. Is that clear? These concepts are very important. In real time, we will focus majorly on databases only. So I'm telling you, please join from Monday on time. Okay, now? Okay, fine. See you on Monday. Bye.